Once upon a time, on a cold winter night, snow covered the forest like a soft white blanket. The moon shone gently through the trees, and the world looked quiet and peaceful. In a small wooden house at the edge of the forest, a little girl named Lina was sitting by the window. She watched the snowflakes fall and whispered, "I wish I could bring light to someone tonight." Her mother smiled. "Then take this candle," she said, handing her a small golden candle that glowed warmly. "But be careful," her mother added. "Its light is special. It shines brighter when used for kindness." Lina put on her red scarf and stepped into the snowy forest. The air was cold, and her breath looked like tiny clouds. The candle's flame danced softly in the wind. Soon, she saw a little rabbit shivering under a tree. Lina knelt down and placed the candle beside him. The warm glow reached the rabbit's fur, and he stopped trembling. "Stay close," Lina whispered. "You can walk with me." As they walked deeper into the forest, they met an old man sitting on a fallen log. His hands were cold, and his face looked tired. Without thinking, Lina held out the candle and said, "Please take some warmth." The old man smiled gently. "You have shared your light," he said, "and for that, the forest will remember you." Suddenly the trees sparkled as if dusted with stars. The wind grew soft, and tiny golden lights began to float between the branches. The whole forest glowed like Christmas itself. Lina gasped, "What's happening?" The old man's voice echoed softly, "Every good heart lights another candle in this world." When Lina returned home, her candle was still glowing, but brighter than before. Her mother hugged her and said, "See, the more light you give, the more you carry." Outside, the snowy forest shimmered in silence, and somewhere deep within the trees, the golden light kept glowing, a reminder that kindness never fades, even in the coldest night.